Isang na anak. Mirisilya. Hello guys, good morning. Good morning everyone. Ayan, pa-IIT tayo today. Meron kaming annual assembly sa IIT Co-op guys. So, kasama ko si Shin Marlene. At saka yung youngest sister nila ni tatay, sabi niya, hihintayin daw niya ako doon sa entrance sa IIT. But, ewan ko lang kung makapag-antay yun. Meron pa kasi sinave na ano ba, mga playlist para ma-i-play ni tatay doon sa trabahoan ni tatay. So, samahan niyo si nanay guys. Ayan. Ni nanay, uy. So, tiri ni nanay guys. Mag-shirt, ano lang si nanay shirt. Mag-sandal si nanay ng white. So, ito ang susuotin ni nanay. Saka ito ang bag. Bag. Ano to guys? Binigay ko ni Mami. Mami Sita. Ayan. Yung buhok ni nanay. Rewind pala to guys.
Alam mo?
Grabe, bel-bel. Ay.
Alam mo, dati naniniwala ako sa iyo eh. Bago mo kunin yung mga mahal ko sa buhay.
So, okay. So, let's go guys. See you later sa IIT. So, ayan. Bye muna.
Ricky S. Garay and the Secretary of the Audit Committee, Mario S. Labisi. This is the proposed amendments of our Articles of Cooperation and our Constitution and bylaws. We also publish this in our website for our advance information.
Bio break. And just for the information of everyone, we prepared a refreshment diri sa inyong gilid. We have stations for you to grab some coffee, biscuits out there. And as well, we have also our help desk at the back if you have questions. And I just want to give the information. We have a lost and found no wallet, color maroon. So whoever is the owner of this wallet, kindly claim this one sa ato ang help desk. Again, ma'ams and sirs, just for the information of everyone, we are also live via Facebook. So those members of Mantikao and Iligan branches, as we have our 46th Annual General Assembly of LSU-IIT and NPC, you are all welcome to register yourselves and to witness, not just to witness, but to participate virtually as we make this activity a momentous one. Once again, ma'ams and sirs, you're now welcome to have your help break while waiting for our business meeting to start. The LSU-IIT Kalimulandan Cultural Dance Troupe. Let's give them a warm round of applause, please. later. And I would like to give also another lost and found na item from Jessica Q. Adige, an ID. Please claim it sa ato ang help desk. So this time, ma'ams and sirs, since we have our partners na naakaroon and we are so blessed, kay ini sila maghatag og mga updates o mga information regarding on our very own PhilHealth. So once again, please help me welcome our local health insurance office head of PhilHealth Iligan and Lanao del Norte, Member Cindy G. Magno. Let's give her a round of applause, please.
Member, dugay kita naghan kung punta atong PhilHealth na membership, maka-avail punta sa outpatient. Sa taas-taas na panahon, hindi pa sa silga na may outpatient as PhilHealth. However, selected lang. Usually sa chemotherapy, radiotherapy, and other minor surgical operations and other identified mga services on outpatient basis na ano na siya. Later on, nakahatag ng outpatient services for the indigent sector. But the good news is because of the Public Act 1123 or the Universal